Hello, guys, and welcome to Flavorful Journeys by B. Are you looking for a delicious and nutritious way to kickstart your day? If so, you won't want to miss my recipe for a chia seed and oats smoothie. Packed with high protein and low calories, let's start making. Take 2 tablespoons of chia seeds and soak them in half a cup of milk. Let this sit for 6 hours or overnight to allow the seeds to absorb the milk and expand. Next, soak 3 tablespoons of instant white oats in another half cup of milk using the same soaking time of 6 hours or overnight. Once chia seeds and oats are soaked and ready, it's time to blend. Add both the soaked chia seeds and oats into a blender along with a small banana and another half cup of milk. Blend everything together until smooth and creamy. And there you have it. Your delicious and nutritious oats banana smoothie is ready to enjoy. Perfect for fueling your mornings. Cheers to a great start to your day. Cheers to my YouTube family. Make this smoothie for yourself and your family and take good care of your loved ones. Bye-bye.